You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to share your Instagram story directly to your WhatsApp status. First, create your story in Instagram as you normally would. After adding filters, text, or stickers, tap your story to share it. Once it's live, open your Instagram story by tapping your profile picture. Tap the three-dot menu. In the bottom right corner of the story, select Share To. From the sharing options, look for and tap the WhatsApp icon. A new WhatsApp window will open. At the top, you'll see options for status, my contacts, or a specific chat. Tap Status. This will add the Instagram story to your WhatsApp status as an image or video. Tap the send arrow to post it. Your WhatsApp contacts will now see it in their status tab for 24 hours. If you don't see the WhatsApp option, ensure both apps are updated to their latest versions. This method shares a static image or video of your story, not a live link. Alternatively, you can save your Instagram story to your phone's gallery first, then upload it directly to WhatsApp status using the WhatsApp camera. For more simple cross-posting tutorials, subscribe to the channel.